Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the lid switch in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because your timer won't advance, because your washer won't agitate, because it won't drain, or because you have a burning smell. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4 inch nut driver, a 5/16 inch nut driver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to have to turn our washer around and take some screws out. So in order to get the control console off, we're going to have to undo 4 screws. You've got these 2 screws up here, and then 2 screws that are inside right there. We're going to start with our 1/4 inch nut driver, and we're going to remove this screw here. Now I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the other 2 screws. There we go. And these screws actually don't come out of there. They kind of just stay right there. Now that those screws are out, what we can do is push our console forward and just lean it down now. So right here is our lid switch. In order to get it off, we're going to have to take off the grounding wire as well as the wires here. So we're going to be using our 5/16 inch nut driver, and then we're just going to lift up on the clip right here and pull the wires out. We're just going to take this tab here, we're going to pinch on the tab, and once you've got that unclipped, you just need to make sure your door is opened up and you can pull the switch right out. And if you don't open up the door, your switch is going to be locked into place. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement lid switch. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we can put our lid switch into place, and keep in mind you are going to want to have that lid up when you first put it in, and once it's in you can just set it down and now push, and now this is clipped into place, and now we'll plug it back in and clicks into place. And now we'll screw on, oops. And now we'll reattach the grounding wire. Just gonna line up the wire with the hole, screw it down. Now we're gonna put our console back into place, and we're gonna slide the top over the metal here, just like that. And you're going to want to make sure that the straps are on the outside so you can screw them back in. As you do this, you're also going to want to make sure that the clips on the bottom of the console are inside the bottom holes right here. And now we can screw everything back in. There we go. And once you've got those screwed in, you can turn everything back around, plug it back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.